Assalamu alaikum. I am Sardar Ahmed, Assistant Teacher in English, Dhaka Cantonment Board, Adarsh Vidyaniketan. I am going to take a virtual class. Before taking my class, I want to say something. Due to the coronavirus, our country, like other countries, has to close down its educational institutions to implement and maintain isolation and social distance. That is why students are being deprived of education in educational institutions today. So, the government has implemented classes through Parliament TV. Virtual classes have also been arranged by Dhaka Cantonment Board Adarsh Vidyaniketan on the instructions of our higher authorities. In this case, our esteemed headmaster has already instructed the assistant headmasters, both in morning shift and day shift, sir, to continue the virtual class through class coordination. I am grateful to the Honorable Senior Authority, Honorable Headmaster, Assistant Head Teacher, for their precise guidance. I would like to thank others like Raja Shahin sir, Jamil sir, Loshko sir, and Motiul sir, who have already started the class. I believe students will benefit from virtual classes in these difficult times. Now, welcome my virtual class. I am Sardar Ahmed, Assistant Teacher in English, Dhaka Cantonment Board, Adarsh Vidyaniketan, Dhaka Cantonment, Dhaka. Today, I will take a class on English second paper for class 9 and 10. Topic's name, right form of verbs. Here is an audio clip. Let's hear a song. What did the singer do? Can you answer, dear students? Yes, the singer sang a song. How much do you like flowers? We like flowers very much, yes. We have got two answers. She sang a song. We like flowers very much. What kind of parts of speech are they? I have put two circles in two words, sang and like. Now, the students, can you answer? What kind of parts of speech are they? Yes, they are verbs. So, today our topic is right form of verbs. After completing this lesson, you will be able to learn about present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and past indefinite tense. Fill in the gaps with right form of verbs with clues. Write the sentences using right form of verbs. The sun rises in the east. Here is a verb, rises. If the sentence is universal truth or habitual fact, it will be present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense indicates verb present form with s or es. He reads the Holy Quran every day. There is a word every day. The verb reads. Every day, always, regularly, often, usually, sometimes, daily, normally, occasionally, generally. These words indicate present indefinite tense. Dear students, if you see this type of subjects in a sentence, I, we, you, they, noun plural, you must use verb present form. And if you see he, she, it, noun singular form, you must use verb present form with s or es. Look, in this sentence, he reads the Holy Quran every day. There is a word every day. That's why we have used verb present form with s. Here, subject third person singular number. That's why we have used reads. And this is present indefinite tense. Do you know what is called present indefinite tense? Present indefinite tense means the repeated action or the action can be a habit, a hobby, or a daily event. Is it clear to you, dear students? I think now it is clear to you. Mashrafi is playing cricket now. Here is a word, Mashrafi. Verb is playing. If you see now, at this moment, at this time, at present, in a sentence, you must use a measure plus verb present with ing, and this is called present continuous tense. Here, Mashrafi is playing cricket now. We can see the word now. That's why verb is playing. Is playing. This is present continuous tense. Do you know what is present continuous tense? Present continuous tense means the action is going on in the present. Is it clear to you? Okay. We have recently visited Coxbazar. Here is a word recently, verb form have visited. Dear students, if you see just now, yet, ever, already, lately, recently in a sentence, you must use have or has plus verb 3, that is verb past participle form, and this is called present perfect tense. Look at the sentence. We have recently visited Coxbazar. Here is a word recently. That's why this is present perfect tense. We have used have plus verb past participle form, visit past participle form, visited, have visited. Do you know what is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense means the actions that have happened recently. Is it clear to you? Thank you. Now, the students, look at the picture. Once there lived a princess. Here is a word, once, verb form lived. Dear students, if you see this type of words in a sentence, once, ago, long ago, last night, last week, last year, previous, before, yesterday, this word indicates past indefinite tense, and you must use verb 2, that is verb past form, in this sentence. Look at the sentence. Once there lived a princess. Here is a word once, so verb is past form princess. Verb is past form lived. Verb is past form lived. Once there lived a princess. The word once, so verb lived, it is past form. And this sentence is past indefinite tense. Do you understand what is called past indefinite tense? Can you tell me? Past indefinite tense is used to express the action in the past taking place. In the past taking place. Is it clear to you? Okay, thank you. Dear students, now I will evaluate you. Look at the sentence. She reads a book every day. Can you say what is the correct form of read? Reads. Yes, thank you. As there is a word every day, this word indicates present indefinite tense. So we have used reads, but present with s, subject third person singular. That's why we have used s after verb. And this is present indefinite tense. Thank you very much. Now, dear students, can you answer the correct form of enjoy? The girls enjoy the last Pohela Boishak. Can you tell me the correct form of enjoy? Yes, enjoy it. Because the last Pohela Boishak, here is a word last. If we see last, yesterday, ago, long since, previous, before, these types of words indicate past indefinite tense. That's why we have used the past form of the verb enjoy. Past form is enjoy it. Is it clear to you? Okay, thank you. Now, dear students, can you tell me the correct form of fly? The boys fly kites just now. What is the correct form of fly? Yes, have flown. The correct form of fly is have flown because there is a word just now. Just now indicates present perfect tense. That's why we have used the correct form of fly, have flown, have plus verb past participle form. Is it clear, dear students? Okay. Now look at this sentence. Children play now. What is the correct form of play? Can you answer? Yes, you are right. Are playing. There is a word now. Now indicates present continuous tense. Now, at this time, at present, this type of words indicate present continuous tense. So, we have used are playing. Dear students, these are your homework. You must do this homework. Thank you all. I wish you good luck.